Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best air filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining your vehicle's optimal performance and fuel efficiency, working tirelessly to trap harmful contaminants like dust, dirt, insects, and other debris before they can enter your engine and cause significant damage. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts airflow, forcing your engine to work harder, which can lead to a noticeable decrease in horsepower, poor acceleration, and ultimately, increased fuel consumption, making its regular replacement a crucial aspect of routine car maintenance that directly impacts your driving experience and the longevity of your engine. Number 5. LEVOIT Core 300P Replacement Filter. Ensure your air purifier runs at its best with this genuine replacement filter. It's designed specifically for your unit, guaranteeing premium quality and a longer lifespan. We recommend replacing it every 6 to 8 months for optimal performance. Experience HEPA-grade filtration even in sleep mode with this filter. It operates quietly at just 26 decibels, ensuring undisturbed rest without ozone emissions. This filter features a 3-stage system for comprehensive air purification. It captures large particles, removes 99.97% of ultrafine particles, and eliminates gases and odors with its activated carbon layer. This filter is ideal for any situation, effectively tackling smoke, allergens, pet dander, cooking odors, and more. It's perfect for homes with children, pets, or allergy sufferers. This filter is created exclusively for the Core 300P series air purifiers. Using authentic filters ensures accurate filter life monitoring and maintains your purifier's performance and motor health. Each filter is sealed to preserve its service life. Simply remove the plastic packaging before use to enjoy cleaner air. What we like. This is the genuine replacement filter designed specifically for your LEVOIT Core 300P and Core 300S air purifiers. It ensures peak performance and a longer lifespan for your device. If you own a LEVOIT Core 300P or Core 300S and want to maintain its optimal function and air purification quality, this is the filter you should choose. What people say. Works very effectively in our LEVOIT air purifier to catch dust allergens particles so we won't breathe them. Filters are easy to clean, simple installation. Quiet operation. Air is fresh and clean. It made a noticeable difference right away. It also handles litter box smells well, which is a big bonus. It's quiet enough to run in the bedroom, and the filter is easy to change when needed. After 2 years, it's still working great and keeps the air feeling cleaner and fresher. They slide right in, and they make the air purifier purr like new. My allergies are less dramatic, the dust count is down, and my house no longer smells like a teenage gym bag with extra mystery. Quiet as a mouse. Worked very well. Perfect fit for my air purifier. Number 4. Blueair Blue Pure 411 Plus Genuine Replacement Filter. Keep your air pure with this genuine Blueair replacement filter. It's designed specifically for your Blue Pure 411 Auto, 411, and 411 Plus models. This filter features a combination of particle and activated carbon filtration. It effectively tackles common indoor air pollutants like dust and allergens. Say goodbye to unwanted smells. The activated carbon layer works to neutralize and reduce odors, leaving your home smelling fresh. Maintaining clean indoor air is simple. Replacing the filter is an easy process that ensures optimal performance. Ensure your air purifier continues to run at its best. Regular filter changes are key to maintaining cleaner indoor air quality. What we like. This is a genuine Blueair replacement filter for their Blue Pure 411 series. It combines particle and activated carbon filtration to tackle allergens, dust, and odors effectively. What people say. This is a very simple and effective filter that is easy to install and use. I almost bought one of the cheaper off-brand filter replacements, but then noticed that the Blueair filter says that it filters particles down to 0.1 microns versus other filters filter to 0.3 microns. This inner paper filter captures pollen and particulate matter. It seems to do the job, because it's dark when I change it every 6 months. It's very easy to change. It takes only a few minutes to replace. It fits well on the filter housing. The airflow seems to be better than the off-brand filters. Number 3. VEVA HPA 300 HEPA filter replacement. Introducing the VEVA HPA 300 HEPA filter replacement, designed to keep your air pure and clean. This essential accessory ensures optimal performance for your air purifier. You'll receive a convenient 3-pack of high-quality HEPA filters. These are engineered to capture even the smallest particles, providing you with fresher air. Each set also comes with 4 pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters. These work to absorb odors and gases, further enhancing your indoor air quality. This replacement filter is specifically designed for compatibility with Honeywell air purifiers. Enjoy a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing unit. Replacing your filters is simple, ensuring your air purifier continues to operate at its best. Breathe easier knowing you're using a reliable and effective filtration system. Choose VEVA for dependable air purification solutions. Our filters are crafted for durability and performance, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This is a 3-pack of HEPA filters that are compatible with Honeywell air purifiers, also including pre-cut activated carbon pre-filters. It offers a comprehensive filtration solution to capture airborne particles and odors. If you have a compatible Honeywell air purifier and are looking for a cost-effective way to get multiple replacement filters with added carbon pre-filtration, this multi-pack is a great option. What people say. The filters I received were all the same color, very white, and fit nicely into their slots. The pre-filter fit well and covers the Velcro strips. The thickness of the pre-filter is approximately the same as that of the original. So far I've only been running the purifier for a few minutes with the new filters, but there is no odd chemical smell. Number 2. LEVOIT LV H133 Genuine Replacement Filter. Ensure your LEVOIT LV H133 air purifier runs at its best with this genuine replacement filter. It's designed for peak performance and a longer lifespan, with a recommendation to replace it every 6 to 8 months. Remember to remove the plastic packaging before installation. Experience superior air purification with its 3-stage filtration. A pre-filter captures large particles, the main filter tackles 99.97% of ultrafine particles, and the activated carbon filter effectively reduces gases and odors. This filter provides comprehensive 360 degrees filtration, thoroughly removing odors, dust, pollen, and smoke from your environment. Enjoy cleaner air from every angle. It's perfect for any situation, offering protection for homes with babies, pets, smokers, allergy sufferers, and frequent cooks. It effectively filters wildfire smoke, seasonal pollen, and common odors. This filter is created exclusively for the LV H133 series. Using authentic filters ensures compatibility with the filter life indicator and maintains optimal air quality and purifier function. We stand by our product with lifetime customer support. If you encounter any issues with your air purifier, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This is the genuine replacement filter specifically designed for the LEVOIT LV H133 series air purifiers. It features a 360 degrees filtration system for comprehensive odor, dust, pollen, and smoke removal, with activated carbon made from responsibly sourced, FSC-certified wood. If you own a LEVOIT LV H133 and prioritize all-around air purification with an eco-conscious touch, this filter is the ideal choice. What people say. Swapping it out took less than a minute, and the purifier recognized it right away once reset. The filter itself feels well made and comparable to the original one that came with the unit. Filters air free of 99.97% of pollutants as small as 0.3 m such as dust mites, pet dander, and pollen trapping dust and microparticles, and passes air through a final carbon filter. Number 1. FutureWay Core 300 Replacement Filter 2-Pack. Ensure optimal performance by using these replacement filters specifically designed for your LEVOIT Core 300 and Core 300S air purifiers. Please verify your model before purchase to guarantee a perfect fit. Experience cleaner air with our advanced 3-stage filtration system. It effectively captures everyday airborne particles, reducing irritants and keeping your indoor environment fresh and pure. Our filter utilizes H13 True HEPA technology, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's designed to trap more dust than standard filters, ensuring longer-lasting effectiveness. Breathe easier with our upgraded activated carbon filter. It boasts enhanced absorption to effectively neutralize smoke, cooking odors, pet smells, and VOCs, creating a fresher home atmosphere. Enjoy up to 6 to 8 months of reliable air purification with each filter. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have clean air all year round while offering great savings. When the indicator light turns red, simply press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to reset the filter reminder. This ensures your air purifier continues to operate efficiently. What we like. This is a 2-pack of replacement filters compatible with LEVOIT Core 300 and Core 300S air purifiers, featuring H13 True HEPA filtration and an upgraded activated carbon filter. It offers excellent absorption for smoke, cooking smells, and pet odors. If you have a LEVOIT Core 300 or 300S and want a long-lasting, affordable solution with enhanced odor control, this 2-pack is a smart buy. What people say. They easily slip in and fit my Dyson, no smell and identical looking, so I'll probably remember to change more often when I know I have a spare. These work perfectly with our LEVOIT air purifier. Our purifier runs daily and I can get a good 6 to 8 months out of a filter. Fit perfectly and seem to trap the dust as well as the OEM one that I had originally. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.